How to turn on or turn off power saving limits CPU speed to 70% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, click on power saving. So after click on power saving, so first of all, turn on power saving button. So after turn on power saving button, you will see limit CPU speed to 70% is here. So if you want to turn on limit CPU speed to 70%, so turn on this button. You will see limit CPU speed to 70% turn on. So if you want to turn off limit CPU speed to 70%, so turn off this button. You will see limit CPU speed to 70% is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off limit speed CPU to 70% from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off power saving limit CPU speed to 70% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.